Have you ever needed to animate something based on the scroll position of a different element? It's actually really easy to do just with a few lines of CSS now. Now, right now this isn't working. We're going to add it in. So I do have a keyframe animation that's right here. Then if we look at the structure here, I have a main in there. I have my scroll container, and then all the way down there, I have my spinny element that I'm going to have. This is important because you do have to define the timeline scope, where it's a timeline scope, and then you name your timeline with 2 hyphens in front of it. Also, this doesn't have to be the direct parent. This just has to be an ancestor that both elements are nested inside of. Next, on the scroll container, I'm going to define a scroll timeline and a scroll animation axis. So block is up and down, and then the scroll timeline here is just using the same name as my scope. Then I can go down to my other element, and ideally in here we would do this inside of a prefers reduced motion, no preference. I can add my animation right there, and then my animation timeline just points to the custom name that I've created. And all of that makes it so it now follows the scroll position of its sibling, which is pretty amazing.